Ever found yourself wondering who the unsung heroes are behind the products that fill our stores and eventually land in your hands? You see that shiny new gadget, that perfectly ripe fruit, or that stack of your favorite books on the shelf. But have you ever stopped to think about the journey they took before reaching you? It's a fascinating world of interconnected businesses, each playing a vital role in getting goods from the producer to the consumer. And within this intricate web, you'll often hear two terms thrown around: wholesaler and jobber. Now, at first glance, they might seem pretty similar. Both are involved in the distribution process, acting as intermediaries between manufacturers and retailers. They both deal in bulk quantities, moving products along the supply chain. So what exactly sets them apart? Is it just a matter of semantics, or are there fundamental differences in their operations, their scale, and their target customers? That's precisely what we're going to unravel today. We'll dive deep into the nuances that distinguish wholesalers from jobbers, exploring their unique functions and shedding light on their crucial roles in the economy. Understanding this distinction not only gives you a behind-the-scenes look at how commerce works, but also provides valuable insights for anyone involved in business, from aspiring entrepreneurs to seasoned industry professionals. Think of the supply chain as a river flowing from the source, the manufacturer, all the way to the mouth, the consumer. Wholesalers and jobbers are both important tributaries feeding into this river, but they operate at slightly different points and serve different purposes. Let's start by painting a clearer picture of the wholesaler. Imagine a large warehouse, packed to the brim with goods. This is often the domain of the wholesaler. They are the big players, typically buying directly from manufacturers in massive quantities. Think container loads, entire production runs. We're talking serious volume here. Because of this large-scale purchasing power, they often secure significant discounts, which forms the basis of their business model. Now, who do wholesalers sell to? Primarily, they cater to retailers, the businesses that directly sell products to you, the end consumer. These could be large supermarket chains, independent boutiques, or even online stores. Wholesalers act as a central hub, offering retailers a wide array of products from different manufacturers under one roof. This saves retailers the hassle of dealing with numerous individual suppliers, streamlining their procurement process. Consider a local bookstore. They likely don't order a few copies of each book directly from every single publishing house. Instead, they might place a large order with a book wholesaler who stocks titles from various publishers. This simplifies their inventory management and allows them to offer a diverse selection to their customers. Wholesalers often provide additional services to retailers, further solidifying their value proposition. These might include warehousing and storage, breaking down bulk shipments into smaller, more manageable quantities for retailers, and even offering credit terms. Some wholesalers also engage in marketing and promotional activities to support the brands they distribute. Now, let's shift our focus to the jobber. While they also operate in the realm of distribution, jobbers typically function on a smaller scale compared to wholesalers. They often buy goods from wholesalers, rather than directly from manufacturers. This places them a step further down the supply chain. The key differentiator for jobbers often lies in their specialization and the specific types of retailers they serve. Jobbers frequently deal with niche markets or specific product categories. Think about a jobber who specializes in supplying convenience stores with snacks, beverages, and other impulse buy items. They might not handle the same massive volumes as a general goods wholesaler, but they possess a deep understanding of the needs and demands of their specific clientele. Another characteristic of jobbers is their focus on localized distribution. They often operate within a specific geographical area, building strong relationships with smaller, independent retailers within that region. This allows them to offer more personalized service and cater to the unique needs of their local market. Consider a small, family-owned grocery store. They might not have the purchasing power to buy directly from large food manufacturers or even from a major food wholesaler. Instead, they might rely on a local jobber who specializes in delivering fresh produce or dairy products on a more frequent and flexible basis. The jobber can cater to their smaller order sizes and provide just-in-time delivery, minimizing waste and maximizing freshness. Jobbers can also play a crucial role in distributing goods to non-traditional retail outlets, such as vending machine operators, small kiosks, or even direct-to-consumer sellers at local markets. Their agility and localized focus make them well-suited to serve these diverse channels. To summarize the core differences, think about it this way. Scale. Wholesalers typically operate on a much larger scale than jobbers, dealing with significantly higher volumes of goods. Source of goods. Wholesalers often buy directly from manufacturers, while jobbers frequently purchase from wholesalers. Target customers. Wholesalers primarily sell to retailers of various sizes, whereas jobbers often focus on smaller, independent retailers or niche markets. Scope of operations. Wholesalers can have a broader geographical reach and handle a wider range of product categories, while jobbers often operate within a specific region and may specialize in particular types of goods. Services offered. While both provide distribution services, wholesalers might offer more extensive warehousing, credit, and marketing support, while jobbers often emphasize personalized service and localized delivery. It's important to note that the lines between wholesaler and jobber can sometimes be blurry, and the terminology might even vary across different industries and regions. Some businesses might exhibit characteristics of both, operating on a scale larger than a typical jobber but focusing on a specific niche like a wholesaler. The key is to understand the underlying functions and the position each entity occupies within the supply chain. Think about the automotive industry. A large automotive parts wholesaler might buy directly from manufacturers of tires, batteries, and other components in massive quantities. They then sell these parts to various auto repair shops and dealerships across a wider geographical area. On the other hand, a smaller jobber in this industry might specialize in supplying a specific type of auto repair shop within a limited local area with fast-moving parts, perhaps even offering same-day delivery. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.